Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the 2018-1831 Dirham coin. This small but significant piece of history holds not only monetary value, but also a rich tale of its own. Join us as we delve deep into the historical roots and value information of this remarkable coin. Before we dive into the details, let's take a closer look at the star of our show today, the 1 dirham coin from the year 2018-1830. As you can see, this coin is a true testament to the craftsmanship of its time, with intricate designs and inscriptions that tell a story of a bygone era. Now, let's explore the historical context behind this coin. The year 1830 signifies the heart of the 19th century, a time when various civilizations were thriving and interacting. This coin, specifically from 2018-1830, is a nod to the rich history of trade and commerce during this period. During the 19th century, the world was witnessing significant changes. The Industrial Revolution was in full swing, transforming economies and societies. This coin, minted during this era, reflects the global trade networks and the emergence of a new era in human history. Now, let's talk about the design and inscriptions on this 1 dirham coin. On the obverse side, we see intricate patterns and symbols representing the cultural and artistic heritage of the time. The reverse side might feature symbols of the ruling authority or elements representing the economic strength of the issuing state. The inscriptions, often in elegant calligraphy, might include details about the issuing authority, the coin's denomination, and sometimes even religious or cultural symbols, showcasing the beliefs and values of the society that produced it. Moving on to the value of this coin, both historical and monetary. The historical value of this coin is immeasurable. It's a tangible piece of history that connects us to the past, reminding us of the economic and cultural exchanges that shaped our world. From a monetary perspective, the value of the 1 dirham coin from 2018-30 can vary. Factors such as its condition, rarity, and historical significance play a crucial role in determining its market value. Collectors often seek out coins like these, willing to pay a premium for a well-preserved piece of history. And there you have it, folks. A closer look at the 2018-1831 dirham coin. A tiny artifact that carries immense historical and monetary value, serving as a window into the past. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the world of numismatics and history. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep appreciating the wonders of our shared past.